Manifest your dreams. The law of attraction hack. The law of attraction is the belief that like attracts like, and that by focusing on and believing in your desires, you can attract them into your life. While there's no magic hack that guarantees instant results, there are definitely ways to strengthen your manifestation practice. The process. Get clear on your desires. Take some time to reflect on what you truly want to manifest. Be specific and write down your goals in detail. This clarity helps focus your energy and intention. Visualize your dream. Once you know what you want, spend time each day visualizing it coming to life. Imagine yourself experiencing the joy and satisfaction of achieving your goal. Engage all your senses in this visualization, making it as vivid as possible. Feel the emotion. Don't just visualize, but also feel the emotions you would experience if your dream had already come true. Feel the excitement, the gratitude, the joy. This emotional alignment amplifies your manifestation power. Take inspired action. While the law of attraction emphasizes the power of your thoughts and feelings, inspired action is still crucial. Look for opportunities and take steps that move you closer to your goal. Trust that the universe will guide you on the right path. Maintain a positive mindset. Negative thoughts and doubts can weaken your manifestation power. Practice gratitude for what you already have, and believe in your ability to achieve your dreams. Release any fears or limiting beliefs that might hold you back. Benefits of manifesting your dreams. Increased motivation and focus. When you have a clear vision of your goals, you're more likely to stay motivated and take action to achieve them. Enhanced creativity and problem solving. Focusing on your desires can open up your mind to new possibilities and creative solutions to overcome challenges. Greater sense of control and empowerment. Manifesting your dreams gives you a sense of control over your life and empowers you to create the reality you desire. Boosted confidence and self-esteem. Achieving your goals, big or small, builds your confidence and self-esteem, leading to a more positive outlook on life. Gratitude and appreciation. Focusing on what you want to attract naturally leads to appreciating what you already have, fostering a sense of gratitude and well-being. Conclusion. Manifesting your dreams is not a passive process. It requires consistent effort, positive thinking, and inspired action. However, the rewards of aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desires are undeniable. By putting in the work and trusting the law of attraction, you can open yourself up to a life filled with greater joy, abundance, and fulfillment.